Viral posts mislead on Italy's lab meat ban. What's the deal with cultivated meat? Posts have recently gone viral online saying that Italy has just become the first country in the world to ban it, prompting a discussion about its safety and consumption. This image, posted on Instagram and X for example, features a picture of Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni and says that Italy has banned Bill Gates' lab-grown meat, hinting at a conspiracy linked to the US businessman. Yes, Italy did pass a law in 2023 banning cultivated or lab-grown meat, but it's not a new development and there was no specific targeting of Gates. It is true that he's among the investors backing some of the major companies pushing cell-based meat, but Italy's ban wasn't tailored to him. The ban itself is also more nuanced than it first appears. Analysts have labelled the law as potentially unenforceable because Italy passed it before the end of the EU scrutiny period, which would have checked whether it harmed the single market. Some say that as a result, courts could strike it down as inapplicable under EU law until the proper procedure is followed, making its future uncertain. As things stand, the EU hasn't yet authorised any meat products derived from lab-grown cells, but some companies have applied for marketing authorization. In these cases, the European Food Safety Agency gives a risk assessment of the product, which the European Commission generally follows. Italy isn't the only EU country that's expressed concern over lab-grown meat, with Hungary's parliament also recently voting through a ban. Supporters of cultivated meat say it improves animal welfare, limits our exposure to foodborne pathogens like salmonella, and requires less land and water than normal meat production. However, critics raise concerns over its CO2 emissions over time and potential chemical contamination, while some consumers are skeptical of its origin.